Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your phone SIM card number on your Android phone. First of all, open the settings on your Android phone and then scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see About Phone. Select About Phone. Here, depending upon the model of your phone or the company of your phone, you will be able to see different options. Now, in the device details, I'll be able to see the status of my both SIM cards. For instance, if I want to see the number of this SIM, I will select this SIM status. Now on this screen, for security purpose, I have blurred the screen. So on this screen, you'll be able to see all the information about the network, about the phone number, the mobile network data, service state, each and everything, signal strength. So here, if you want to see the status of the SIM number 2, select the SIM number 2, and you'll be able to see all the information along with the phone number. So that's simply how you can check your phone SIM card number on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.